Yeah, so I just had a bit of a fright. Come to get some cash out, and none of my cards are working in the cash machines here. But looks like I found a HSBC bank machine and it worked in there. Yeah, but none of my cards were working. They said Visa on them, but they just wouldn't work. I kept getting error messages from my online banking apps saying transaction cancelled. I thought, crikey, am I going to be able to get any money out here? And I thought, I've not used the card yet, so I don't know, is it going to work in the shops or restaurants? I thought, crikey, I've got very little money, cash on me. But I didn't panic. I googled the HSBC bank, and I think there's only one that showed up in a hotel. I went there and that one worked. Yeah, I was a relief. We're good to go. Arrived in Taipa, very near the Cotai Strip. Not sure if I'll visit there tonight. I'm going to the Cotai at night time, not tomorrow but the night after. The first port of call here is a Mongolian and Irish fusion bar. Some strong beers and some Mongolian Vodka, supposed to be very smooth, so I'm going to try some of that. Seems like a very vibrant neighbourhood. Still quite early. I think that's the Cotai Strip in the distance. I don't know what casino it is. We've got the table tennis championships on the big screen. So I've just tried the Mongolian Vodka in the Premier Bar, Taipa. Had 2 Tsingtao bottled beers as well. It came to about £10.30, so quite reasonable really for the location. I've no idea what percentage the Mongolian Vodka was, but I'm feeling a little bit merry. Having a walk through this street food street. Laude Beef Offal. Not sure I'm brave enough to try Beef Offal. Beef Offal here as well. It all seems to be a Beef Offal. Might have to give it a go. When in Rome.
Have a try,
oh no, thank you. Am I brave enough to try the Beef Offal? It was very busy that end of the street. Yeah, so I've gone for the Beef Offal. Not sure what I'm getting. 50 Macau, mop, whatever the currency is, about £5. Let's see what it. Looks like a big portion. Chopsticks.
Chopsticks, sir?
Oh yeah, it's good, yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So I've not got my tripod with me or anything, I've just got the handheld action cam at the minute, so I'm going to struggle here. But I've got the Beef Offal, £5, quite a big tub of it. No idea what it is, I think there's stomach in there, intestines, lung. Would you try the Beef Offal? Not sure. Let's see if we can, how we're going to do this. Let's see if we can position the camera somewhere. So we've got some chopsticks. Not sure. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Definitely not for me. No. So that was a £5 wasted. I mean, initially I thought, oh, it's quite taste, could manage it, but a couple of mouthfuls, 2 or 3 mouthfuls, that was more than enough for me. There's massive queues. I went to a store that didn't have as big a queue. I wanted queued up for it, but yeah, I've tried it, never again. Yeah, so the Mongolian Vodka, that was a big hit. I'll probably have some more of that another night, but Beef Offal, God, never again. Ugh, never again. Next stop is the Taipa Tavern, another pub. Now have a couple more beers in there, and then I think I'm going to head to the Cotai Strip, have a look, check out some of the casinos there. Size of that crab, and there's my hand for size. I'm going to try the Old Taipa Tavern now, have a beer or two in here. Nice looking joint.
Yeah, you shake it, you put it down, and then you try to get a number higher than us.
Okay, yeah.
So you're playing against us.
Yeah. So,
shake it, and then you put it down. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Taipei.
okay. So we play until 9 p.m.
Okay.
And then we
So that was the Taipa Tavern, nice boozer, interesting happy hour. So you roll the dice, if you beat the bar staff you get the drink for free, if they win you pay for it, so it's a no lose situation. I lost one game, so I paid for 1 pint, and I won one, so I got one free. So it's 89 mops, so £8.90 for 2 beers, so similar price to the UK. Win one, lose one. Yeah, it's quite expensive if you don't win one. But yeah, nice pub. Casino here, not sure which one it is. Go and check it out. Yeah, so it turns out it's a bit more awkward to get to the Cotai Strip than I thought. I'm not worried about stopping out too late tonight. If I end up there, I'll be spending a fortune. We'll probably be out late, so I'm going to head back to the Premier Bar. Might have another Mongolian vodka. And I'm going to head back to my hotel. It's still only 9 o'clock now, so hopefully back by midnight at the very latest. And then I'll explore the Cotai Strip tomorrow in the day after the giant panda pavilion. Yeah. You have same? Good. Yeah, so it was Taipa, so I ended up back in the Premier Bar. I fancied another Mongolian vodka. They're pretty Moorish, to be honest. Shit, I don't know what time my bus comes or anything. There's a bus coming now. Yeah, so we'll say the Beef Offal I had. Now there was 2 restaurants, there was queues up the street, and I'm terrible, I don't want to queue, I'm never gonna queue for food. So I went to a restaurant without a queue, and a guy in the pub told me, and a friend from Hong Kong's also told me, if there's a queue outside, queue. Don't go to, if there's a restaurant without queues, don't go, it's awful. So maybe it was a bad restaurant I went to for the offal, but yeah, it was pretty rancid, to be honest. I wouldn't try it again. I'm put off for life. Maybe I should have queued up. I definitely wouldn't have queued up for Beef Offal. I mean, I may have queued up for clay pot rice. There was a restaurant the other night, clay pot rice, and the queue was massive, and I thought it wasn't going down, so I didn't queue up for it. I went to eat elsewhere. But yeah, sometimes I guess you've got to queue if a restaurant's that good. The queues are there for a reason. So it's Taipa, that's my night finished. It's 6 minutes past 10. It's quieting down a bit here in Taipa. I'm going to get the bus back to my hotel now. Tomorrow I'm going to see the giant panda pavilion and the Cotai Strip, the casinos. That's the plan for tomorrow. I think this must be a Instagram street, nice murals. But yeah, I'll probably end up back in there tomorrow for some more Mongolian vodka. I think that's going to be on the list, a trip to Mongolia, trekking in the steppe. One day, it's definitely on the bucket list. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Not sure if that's marble. So we've got some kind of Portuguese tart.